Is your ice machine producing inconsistent ice, shutting down unexpectedly, displaying temperature errors, or running long freeze cycles? A faulty dual temperature probe assembly may be affecting accurate temperature monitoring and reliable performance. Welcome to PartsFe. In this video, we'll show you how to troubleshoot the dual temperature probe assembly in your ice machine. This component is located near the evaporator or refrigeration section and connects to the control system through a wiring harness. It monitors temperature points that regulate the machine's freeze and harvest cycles. The dual temperature probe assembly plays a vital role in maintaining consistent ice production by sending accurate temperature readings to the control board. When it begins to fail, the machine may produce poor quality ice, experience interrupted cycles, or stop working altogether. Common causes of failure include mineral buildup, moisture intrusion, damaged wiring, excessive heat exposure, loose electrical connections, and normal wear over time. These issues can result in inaccurate temperature readings, reduced ice output, longer freeze cycles, and unexpected shutdowns. To troubleshoot, you'll need a multimeter, a screwdriver, insulated gloves, and a flashlight for better visibility inside the unit. Start by inspecting the probe assembly and wiring for visible damage, corrosion, cracked insulation, or loose connectors. Clean away any dirt or mineral deposits that may interfere with proper sensing. Verify that all electrical connections are secure and free from signs of overheating. Next, use a multimeter to test the probe according to the manufacturer's specifications. Also inspect the surrounding wiring harness for continuity and check that the probes are properly positioned. If the control board is receiving incorrect or unstable temperature readings despite secure connections, the probe assembly may have failed internally. After completing all diagnostic checks, replace the dual temperature probe assembly if it no longer meets the required specifications. For trusted commercial ice machine replacement parts in the USA and Canada, visit PartsFe and follow us for more appliance repair tips, maintenance guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching.